Kulwesibini namhlanje kuvalwe indlela ngamatayala avuthayo kule ngingqi yasePinar. Uqhankqalazo lonoteksi lushiya abakhweli bembanguza neevenkile zivaliwe.
Since yesterday this mall is closed. We tried to come yesterday but we didn't find anything. Every road is closed.
Uteteyo lwevenkile kule ngingqi eMoyeni Mall nayo ibivalwe okwethutyana.
Today we just come, we think maybe we'll open, but I think the situation is still bad, and then we just keep the mall closed so that our mall is saved.
Eziview onoteksi bebevale indlela ngobugoqo bathembise ngokuzivula emva kwemini nje ukuze baqalise ukusebenza kusasa.
Namhla ngo-4 ntambama sizaba sesiklinile sivanile ukuthi amabhasi ayabuya ngo-4 namhla ntambama.
Ukanti eMgcobaneni kuhle White River Kusweleke omnye abaqhankqalazo emva kokudutyulwa ngumqhubi noyekamva wazidubula naye wasweleka.
Today we had an incident where 2 people died, and in that space it was one person who it is alleged that he forced to pass the road, and in the process he took the gun and shot randomly to 1 to 3 people, of which one was fatally wounded.
Mapolisa ayifake phansi kweliso elibukhali imeko kule ngingqi.